right, y'all, headed over to Jake's Del Mar because we got a photo shoot with the Castro agency. Favorite challenges I have is shooting during zenith, and we have a few tools that will mitigate some of this here. Number one, time, and number two is artificial lighting and positioning. Right at the beach with a clear sky, challenge is accepted. Decided to settle right next to Jake's at the community center just because of the open space. Our first mission is to take care of the team photo, and then we can gradually do the individual headshots. Originally I wanted to go over here with much more shade and control of the light, but we got respect. We got a private event, so we're gonna go back to that open space. We got Alex over here with the Castro agency, #1 newest seller, killing it right now.
How you doing? First time having a pro photo shoot with this team. I'm new. I just got 6 months on the team, so yeah, I'm excited.
Way to go, man. Moving on to our secondary location at Jake's. Really, these guys are feeling hyped up.
Yeah.
Castro agency for all your insurance needs.
Yeah.
So I kept things minimal, knowing that the sunlight would reach behind the subject. I went ahead and just went with one powerful light. I went with the Strobe AD200 and one large umbrella, bringing an encompassing light with a nice rim light from the sun.
Very professional, very easy, and very quick.
I really appreciate that. Hey, I didn't pay them.
Gavin was a lot of fun. He kept us entertained while we did our poses, and he was very creative in his style, and I would definitely recommend Gavin for any type of company photo shoot.
Wow, thanks so much, man. That means a lot. Appreciate it. The things I learned today are always remain adaptable and find the creativity within the challenges, or find the creativities within the blockages, and get some shots that I liked. Hopefully my clients liked it. Hopefully you like them as well.